Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a football that is illuminated, this video just might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview? Check out our illuminated football. Who might say no, but no way whatsoever this being provided to me a fictitious review. I'm here just to keep it real. So this company right here has what is a illuminated LED football. Kind of give you a quick measurement on it. Here to here, all the way around is 12 inches, and then the diameter all the way around is 19 inches to kind of put things in perspective of what size this is. It has a port right here. Right now it's illuminated green, letting you know that it is fully charged, has a built-in battery. It does come with a USB to USB-C cord for charging purposes. Also comes with a pump because it is completely deflated when it arrives, and this screws in and out, and then it has a little storage spot you can put it in right here. So inflating it is quite easy. Also comes with a sort of like a little backpack sack that you can carry everything in. So when not in use, the LED charging port has a little cover on it, so it can just be sealed up. When this thing is not being thrown, it's not illuminated, but a quick spin or toss and it is glowing quite bright. I mean, this thing is going to be very easy to see. It is extremely bright, especially if it's in a pitch black environment. Very, very cool. So if you are looking for an illuminated football, an inflatable football, this hopefully answers all the questions you might have about what I would say is a very, very cool and fun illuminated football. It does have a little rubber texture there, so this thing is quite legit. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.